On the past incident of a girl who was sexually assaulted by 3 bachelors while going to meet her Facebook boyfriend for the first time at Udaipur Tepania Park, among the 3 pervert, one of them named Suhail Mia was arrested by Radhakishorpur Women Police, and the other 2 are still out of the hand of the police. There was an accusation that after lying about his religion of being Hindu to his girlfriend, he together with his 2 other friends sexually assaulted a girl of 17 years old at Udaipur Tepania Park. After the incident, an FIR was filed against the 3 bachelors at Radhakishorpur Women Police Station, and the police arrested a pervert named Suhail Mia, but the 2 others are still out of the hands of the police. As per report, it is said that by lying about his religion of being Hindu, he trapped a Hindu minor girl of 17 years old in his love and then sexually assaulted her along with his 2 other friends at Tepania Park, Udaipur. In news about lying own identity in social media and trapping the girls in love and running away is not new. But carrying a girl in the park and sexually assaulted her together with his friend, this is a different incident that happened in Tripura. Later, they threw the girl from the car at Rajarbagh, and after that, an FIR was filed against them at Radhakishorpur Women Police Station on Thursday evening. After an FIR filed, the Radhakishorpur Women Police arrested one of the culprit named Suhail Mia, aged 22, residing at Purba Gokulpur, Udaipur, but 2 others are still out of the hands of police.
আজকে সকালবেলা আরকেপুর মহিলা থানায় একটা অভিযোগ আসে, লিখিত অভিযোগ অপহরণ এবং ধর্ষণ সংক্রান্ত ঘটনা নিয়ে। তো নাবালিকা মেয়ে অপহরণ এবং ধর্ষণ এই সংক্রান্ত ঘটনা নিয়ে আমাদের আরকেপুর মহিলা থানাতে একটা কেস রেজিস্ট্রেশন করা হয়েছে। রেপ এবং 376, 376 এবং পক্সো অ্যাক্টে। তো এই ব্যাপারে একজনকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে। তো বাকি ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে।
কেস নম্বর কত ছিল স্যার?
কেস নম্বর 35।
আরকেপুর মহিলা থানা। জি স্যার, ঘটনাটা কোন জায়গায় হয়েছিল এরকম কিছু?
ঘটনা তেপানিয়া ইকো পার্ক।
আজকে কমপ্লিট হয়েছিল স্যার?
আজকে কমপ্লিট।
বা কতদিন আগে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছে এরকম কিছু জানা আছে স্যার আপনাদের কাছে?
ঘটনা গতকালকে ঘটে।
For the following incident, police are now engaged in search of the 2 other perverts who sexually assaulted the girl. But because the girl who was sexually assaulted was Hindu, and the sexually offender was Muslim, there was seen chaos in between the people at Udaipur. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.